Hello friends, in this video I want to show you one of the strategies that I use to promote my product on WhatsApp. And of course you know that WhatsApp is one of the most popular messaging app that people use to communicate. And the good part of it is that WhatsApp form people that are part of your phone contact. So these are people that know you, and these are people that you also know. So it is like a small community. You know yourself, and with this it is easier for them to patronize you. So what you are going to do is you are going to send them a message, and the message you are going to send will be in form of broadcast. The mistake that a lot of people make is they create group. Before you can create group, it should be to the consent of the member of those group. If you create group without the consent of those members, a lot of them will leave, and they may even report you. And if they report you, your phone number, that phone will be banned by WhatsApp. If there are too many reports coming from your phone, before you know, WhatsApp will ban your account. So what you are going to do is you will rather create broadcasts, and with broadcast you can send message to as many as 256. You can add up to 256 people at once, and the message you will send to them will be sent individually. You send a message once, and the message will go individually, so they will see it as coming from you directly to them. And those people who are part of the group will not know themselves, so it is very easy. It's better. I'm going to walk you through how you can do it now, how you can create a broadcast. Right now I am on my WhatsApp now. So what I will do is I will click on these three buttons here, and you can see here the second icon you see is new broadcast. So I'm going to click on it, and if you click on it, you will see your contact here. So from this contact, I know people that may be interested in the kind of product that I sell. So I'm going to go through them and add them one after the other. I'm going to be, as you are clicking on them, it's adding them to that broadcast list. So I'm going to check them and add them. Once you are done adding them, then you hit this check mark. And if you want to add people later, you can click on the name icon. Then you can also edit the name. Let's say I want to edit the name to, let's say 72 IG. Okay, I'll hit OK. Later, if I want to add some other people, I'll click on edit recipient. Then I'll still add some other group. And if I'm done, if I've had enough that I want to send, so assuming I want to send message now, I'm going to click on, let me go back. Now I've gone back. So I'm going to type the message here now. If I type the message, and the message that you will type should be a message that is general to them. You know the kind of people that are in that group. Sometimes there could be a combination of women and men, so you know them. And the message should be general, like, hi, just want to hear from you. Okay, and you hit send. Now if you hit send now, the message will go to all the members of those broadcasts. The message will go to all the members of that broadcast, and they will see the message coming directly from you. So, and from there, some people will reply, but some people will not reply. It is the people that reply that you will now chat with them. Then you start chatting with them gradually, Then you now take them to your product. You tell him what your product can solve for him, the problem that your product can solve for him, how your product can be of help to him. You now start telling him in the WhatsApp. That is how easy it is to promote your product on WhatsApp. If you benefited anything from this video, I'd like you to like it, hit the like button, then share it with your friends so that they too can also benefit from it. There are some other videos that you can watch that can be of help to your business. So all you need to do is to follow my page and watch those videos so that you can help your business to grow. They are for free. You don't have to pay anything to watch those videos. Thank you for watching this video, and see you again in the next video. Bye.